Subscribe the channel and click on bell icon for the latest videos in the YouTube. Friends, sorry friends, now no need to install several shopping apps such as Amazon, Flipkart, eBay and many others to search for the products. Now in this video I'm going to show you an app which will manage all your shopping apps work in one app only. So keep watching till the end and don't forget to subscribe. First go to your Play Store, and from Play Store you have to download an app which is Common Card. So this is the app which you have to download. Its link I have given in the description box. You can download it from there. So I have already downloaded it, so I will open and show you how it works. Friend, this app what basically does, this app provides you the facility to stream to different online shopping apps. So you can see at present time in Amazon.in. Now if I'll click to Flipkart, then I'll move to Flipkart, then Myntra, then Jabong, then eBay and Shop 18. Now if you want to add your favorite shopping app, then you can also add it. Go to add new tab and choose. From here you can add your favorite shopping app. So if you will search for product, in searching a product there are two types. You can search for super search. So I will search for super search, then go to super search, and suppose I search for jeans. If you will search your product in super search, then your product will be searched all in your app which is above in the row. You can also search individually. So I have searched for jeans, so you can see different jeans are available here. Now in Flipkart also various jeans are there. You can also buy it. Then Myntra also. So this app is very good, friends. So this was today's video, friends. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye friends, have a good day.